Alright guys, as you can see here, these are all done. They're different sizes because I haven't bothered to fine-tune them, but I'm sure that that can be done later. So why don't we just grab this piece right here and stick one of these pieces into this hole right there. And again, I think if this turns out to be difficult or troublesome, however you want to call it, I think this is still going to help us or not. Will it help us? No, it will not. However, maybe something like this will. Yes, you can use this. So that's one of the cool things, I think, in general, when you buy a Japanese kit. They tend to give you all the tools that you need to really assemble stuff properly. And although they didn't give us all the
Likey